Well, we got good news and bad news. And the good news is Dad's got a new dog already. The bad news is it's Charles in charge. So anybody wants to know the backstory of Charlie here, the house next door is our old family farm, and the couple that moved in there, they moved in there and bought the house. Charlie was their dog. Well, about, I don't know, 7-8 years ago, Charlie just wandered over here. It's only 100 meters through the bush, and that's it. He's been pretty much here ever since, and he goes over there once in a blue moon just to say hello. But the owners, they're moving away, and then they messaged me and they said, "Well, you take Charlie?" And I said, yeah, like I'd fight you in the parking lot if you thought you were going to take this old prick away from me. Hey, are you happy? And so yeah, they were worried that we weren't going to take Charlie, and it's like, this dog ain't going nowhere. I'd kill him if he leaves. So that's our good news. We got a dog, and the bad news is it's old Charlie. So he's just officially ours now. So Friday, July 10th, and I just showed up here at the end of the day, and we talked to the customer where he's going to ship up some foam-filled tires to them and the bucket seats that go into this machine. So hopefully we're going to get that soon. As you can tell, the airboat's back in, and I think it had a leaking gasket or something. Anyways, these guys would have been on this all day, and Aiden's parents were here, so they had a bit of a break today and did some visiting. But I don't know if Aiden's left already. Yeah, looks like he did leave. So it's standing room only around here, and just cleaning up. And it's the end of the day, so we probably shut her down soon and have it wet. But yeah, the progress on this is we're going to get that stuff shipped in, and I have to go down to the city next week.
We're waiting for parts.
Waiting for parts. Going down to the city next week to pick up some more stuff. But as I pointed this out the other day, that stuff's all ready to go. Bogies are on, bogie chains, axles, everything's wrapped up. We're going to get the foam-filled tires on the back shipped in. The Guard Wine, which is a local area shipper. And it's bloody hot in the shop. Very, very hot. Dad's inspecting the tires here. It's a quick... He filled them up yesterday. He wanted to check to make sure nothing was leaking. And I don't know if they got any further on that today or not. But we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. So you'll be able to, with the other two showing up, you'll be able to make 2 of those spare. So, and okay. And so they're going to, he's just cutting some stuff here in the shop right now. I don't know if it's for the airboat or if it's for the Bombardier, likely the airboat. And we've still got to be able to get back out of the shop and start pounding away at more of that crap. Weather is it's just humid in the shop, but it's unbearable to be outside right now with all the mosquitoes. And but that's the weather. But thankfully the customer's not really too worried about getting this back right away. But it does make for cramped working conditions. And so yeah, that's it. So today's Friday, and the video today is of July 1st, and you would have just found out about our little Nina Pinta Santa Maria, and she passed away on July 1st, and so it's July 10th, and still looking around my back shoulder and whatnot and around the house, and these guys are still looking for the little dog because she was just everywhere all at once. But so yeah, sad news about Nina, but good news about Charles, that he's our dog permanently now, and we don't have to worry about him being adopted elsewhere. So, you know, this is when you want to take on old tricks of dogs here, you know, right in their end of life when they're about to have big vet bills. But he's we just love him. He's worth every dollar that we spend on dog treats. He's pretty you know, low maintenance other than him howling at us once in a while and all the dog treats, but just happy that he's ours. And the cat's doing his thing, but we'll go check out and see if the other pricks are outside or not. Eddie the Edders and Aiden just rolled back into the shop, and my Filipino Emily's over here enjoying her treats. And beautiful sunny July 10th day.